Good morning, folks. We're building handrails, and this is what it looks like. Finished product. Come over here to Bobby Boucher here, and he is using a drill press. He's drilling out these holes, and he's using a Forstner bit. Makes a flat surface down in the bottom of the hole. And come over here to Kevin, and he's putting the pipes down in the hole. We drill those holes out 1 inch on each side, so these pipes actually have 1 inch right here and 1 inch down in the bottom that'll be up in the treated 2x4. Say hi, Kevin.
When you order it, you get what they bring you.
What? Kevin's waving at the camera. There you go. You might not even be able to see the floor, but
All you can see. All you can see is like right here.
oh yeah. It'd be alright. A bunch of junk. Come on. Some of them will clip out certain parts of it. And add it. Oh yeah, you can see the floor.
Oh, okay. Talking at the hiccups.
He got them yesterday too. He eat a piece of beef or deer jerky. He's like, every 5 minutes or every 5 seconds.
Oh.
Shut up.
You want to put these back in? That's very close. All those for sale.
I just told my breath to get rid of them. I learned that when I was a little kid, sitting at the red light, and I had the hiccups.
David eats pencil of peanut butter.
Really? Said at the red light, hold your breath. Till the red light changes, you won't have hiccups no more.
Oh. I've always heard hold your breath. It never did work for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta hold it until one of them hiccups pass.
Oh.
Yeah. Cool. We got Bobby the sweeper man. Hiccup man. Okay guys, we are headed to the job site to put up posts for the handrails, and don't know if we'll put a handrail on today or not. Hopefully we get to put at least one on to show you guys how they go on. We got our main man Bobby over here videoing, and me and him's going to be running loaners today. Kevin's doing some what you'd say PR work, paperwork, office materials. Anyway, catch you guys in a bit. A lot of people wonder why that I use 2 tapes. I've got 2 tapes on my tool bag most of the time, at all times, and this is the reason why. It's because instead of all that math, you run these 2 tapes together, and then you find out where they meet at. See, here's 65 and 65. There's 65 and a half. There's 65 and a half. There's 65 and 9/16, 65 and 9/16. So 65 and 9/16 is the dead middle between this. Right there is our middle point. There you go. There's your little fun fact. Ooh. There, measure it. Booby. Hey, booby.
It's cold.
Hey, Bobby, your hands cold? Hey, Bobby. Your hands cold? Hey, Bobby. Hey, Bobby. Hiccup. Hiccup. That's old Hiccup. That's old Hitchcock Bobby. And then there is this. It's so cold that I didn't even feel it. My blood won't stop now because it's so cold. Bunch of junk. Unreal. It's shivering in my home.
But I got a watermelon.
I just wanted to show y'all how tight this is. Me and Bobby's freezing to death. It don't look cold, but it is cold. Ain't it, Bobby?
You think I'm right? It's cold.
Hey, Bobby, you cold?
Yeah. Oh man.
I made him stay out here longer than he wanted to. And anyway, he's been crying and going on ever since the homeowner even come out here and told us to go home, didn't he? Yeah. He's like, it's too cold here. That's what he said. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Here, Bobby, do this. Here it is. There you go. Here, do that.
No.
Do it, Bobby. Here, show them on YouTube. Do it. Other way. There you go. Here, wait, I can't get a good view. Do it again.
No,
There you go. Oh, good.
You missed and hit my daggone hand. Golly. What do you want?
21. 21, Mommy.
Told you.
Oh! Okay, it's cleanup time. And we're going to see if Bobby can make it from here into that trash can. Oh, man. That was close. What are you videoing?
I'm videoing the saw.
Oh, this is the DeWalt.
DeWalt.
And this is our fantastic system of sawhorses.
Hey, now the other end. I know what, it's just gonna take him a minute to try to get these both the same. Oh, hey!
Got any last remarks, Bobby? Last remarks for the day.
I'm ready to go home and start a fire.
Cold. He wants to start a fire. And I agree with him. But we didn't put the handrails up. And here, video me every minute while I start the truck.
Okay.
We did not get a handrail up today. We will come back with another video. I'm gonna try to post this video this evening, and so we'll come back with another video that shows how we actually put them up. But our videos now, this will be one of our first ones, one of our first actual tutorial type of videos, and a little bit of funny videos. Between me and Bobby, we like to have fun on job. If you can't have fun, you might as well go home, really. But
Subscribe, follow.
do subscribe, do follow, or when you subscribe, you follow, Bobby.
Oh, okay, I don't know how it works yet.
Anyway, if you don't know how to subscribe, after you get through with this video, just go down there, scroll down, and you'll see subscribe to Twisted Hammers Carpentry. And the reason we call it Twisted Hammers is because we're just a little bit twisted sometimes. But anyway, tomorrow we'll come back with another video, and we'll do a couple little things here and there about our trusses, maybe the way we cut out dovetails. So be looking for our next video. Hope y'all enjoyed this one. Thanks.